Hello and hi, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything and all about WordPress. I'm Aisha, and in this video we're going to see how you can import or export your WooCommerce orders, subscriptions or coupons using this very simple plugin. So when you have migrating to another website, or you are taking exports from another website, and you want to create an XML sheet or anything like that, you might need this plugin. So we're going to see how this is done, and before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe as we come up with videos on WooCommerce and WordPress every now and then to get your website performance up and top. So I'm going to go to my dashboard and install a plugin. So I'm going to install a plugin by WebToffee, which is WooCommerce order import. So I'm going to search for WooCommerce order import export. It's a long name, but it's by WebToffee. So you first only you can see that the plugin, and also it has 30,000 plus active installation. They also have some plugins for product import export and coupon import export and all other things. So we're going to go for the product order import export. So I'm going to install the plugin, and once installed you will be able to see the plugin in the dashboard. So I have just activated it. So yeah, so here you can see the WebToffee import export basic plugin. So this is a basic plugin. As you can see, there is a plugin which is the premium versions as well. So here we're going to use the simple one, which is first we'll go to for the export option. So you can see this option of what you want to import. So you can see two options, which is order or coupons. I'm going to go with the orders, and I'm going to click that, and I'm going to select the export method. So you can see there is three methods. One is quick export, which is the whole bunch of data will be exported within a limit of time. And also if you have a pre-saved template, you can choose a template and add over here. So you can choose the template by adding the media file or the file into the media. Here in the media you can add new and add the template. So here then there's another one, which is the advanced export, which I'm going to go with. So the quick export, you can get all of the data, everything you can get. So here I'm going to go with the advanced export, and I'm going to filter the data. Here you will be able to filter data, what all the data that you need and what all the data that needs to be included in the orders. So here you can see that there's a total number of orders to export. You can write it unlimited. If you have put a certain number, you can add that as well. So if you want to skip few orders, you can add them here as well. And also what are the order status? So you might need only completed processings, or you need the orders which are processing, which are refunded, which are failed. All these things you can choose from here. And also you can go for the products, which are the products that you need. I'm going to go with a hoodie and t-shirt. Here you can see. So if there is any product that you want, specific products, you can choose that. And if you have any customer emails, like you need orders from a particular customers, you can choose and write his email, so that you will be able to extract that data, extract that order data. And if you have any coupons, so let's say if I had a coupon in the name of New Year sale, you will be able to get the data of the customers that purchased using that coupon code. And also there's a date, from date to to date. So whichever date you prefer, you can just choose that date, and you can put an end date as well. So upon doing this, you will be taken to the step 4, which is map and reorder. So here what you will be doing is you can sort the data or the columns of your XML sheet or CSV sheet, whichever you are using. So here you can see there are a few things, so you can rearrange this as well according to your wish. So if you want order ID, if you don't want shipping tax, which you don't want fee total, fee tax, and whichever columns that you don't require, you can minimize this. So you will be getting an exact sheet to export. So you can choose that, whichever you want, you can choose that and just click on to the next step. And here export in the batch, like how many numbers you want, you can choose that as well. You can write 1000 also, you can write 100 also, that's up to you. So here let's go to the export, and you can see that the product is ready and you can just download the file. And upon downloading, you will be able to see the Excel sheet of all the orders and everything that came up with that particular filter that I've used. So in my filter I don't have anything, so since I used that code, that was an imaginary code, but don't worry. So here I'm going to also show you how the import option works. So this is the same step, how you want to import the data. I'm going to choose for orders, and I'm just going to use the quick export and drag a file. So I have a file here, and I'm going to delimiter. You want to use the comma to separate the columns or anything, you can use that. So you can also go for an advanced step. So if that particular order exists in your store, you can skip or update that. So I'm going to update. And if you want to link any SKU instead of the product ID, you can use that, and also in the product batches. So I'm going to click on the import option, that doesn't matter. And I forgot to show you the orders page, but yeah, here there is failed or successful orders that appear on my page. So this can be due to any change in the advanced settings also. So that's how you can do that. And also there is history of how many import or exports that you have done, and also logs that you have done. So once you import a successful file, you will be able to see, go to the orders, and you will be able to see the new updated order, right? So whichever order that you have done. So this is the one order that I have imported recently. So that's how you can import and export orders on your WooCommerce store. So this is a very simple plugin that you can use to import data or export data into your sheet. So if you want to make a sheet or all the orders that you have got and make a annual report or anything, literally anything, you can use this plugin, which is a simple plugin, and you can use it for one time as well. You can, if you want to use it for long term, that's also good. So that's all about today's video. We'll see you in another video. Bye.